for $20.
My air filter.
I love how I pull the camera up and everybody starts talking.
My neck, my back, my air filter is black.
Yeah, that's not making a video. What up, fam?
No, this is dirty.
All right. On this episode of No Revving, we're going to be working on the NSX. I needed to have 2 cabin filters replaced, and I found online, shout out to the 2nd Gen NSX forum out on Facebook, a bunch of guys said these green filters are the better ones to go with. They're very similar to a K&N. It's a pre-oiled set of filters, and I should hear the psh, psh noises of the turbo way better. So I'm excited about that. The engine filters might take 10 minutes, they said online. There's a clip down at the bottom. That's a bit of a problem.
10 minutes.
We're going to find out.
No, this is not going to be 10 minutes.
Nothing's ever what they say online.
Wait, no.
It's 100 degrees, heated decks.
The other set of filters are going to take 10 minutes.
Yeah. The engine's 10 minutes. This cabin air filter is going to take an hour.
So it's basically
going to be DIY.
Yeah.
So the guy wrote up a full 9-page document that allows you to know what you need to do every step of the way. Got solid reference pictures of everything.
Printed in color on paper.
Because I wanted to make sure I knew what color the clips were. So also, we don't have the right JIS screwdriver. So
whatever those
try
are.
To make a Phillips
Japanese industry standard.
Patrick had to look that up and figure that out.
There's a difference between Phillips and it's like the pitch and the angle. I don't know.
Nobody at O'Reilly's
can't get them
knew
anywhere.
what it was. They said on the phone, we got something here. They did not.
Did you call one in Japan? They probably have them.
They probably got them over there. Ohayou gozaimasu. Watashi wa Nihongo o hanashimasu desu ka? Yeah, so no, this will take about an hour, but I've studied it a little bit. I'm sure I'm not going to remember it, but it's what these guys are here for, and then I'm going to tag them in, see if they can help out on pieces. We'll get those cabin air filters in, and then we'll just go back to the back, pop out the old engine filters, put in the new green, be ready to roll.
So it's pretty much going to be an hour of Lucas laying on his back the whole time like this. Ah, my back! Because he's old.
I'm old and out of shape. Don't forget the out of shape part. You boys, y'all work out all the time. You should be down there and be like, nah, this is no problem.
Don't worry, we'll edit in a lot of his complaining and how hot it is. There'll be a lot of that.
Yeah. It's one. Alright. Try to be one.
What step are you on? 1?
Yeah. Alright, so the first thing you got to do is take off this undercover. Super easy. Although the first time you put in the screwdriver to twist it, you're twisting the whole thing. So the pro tip that was given in the instructions is hold on to the edge, turn it a 4th quarter turn, and then it was able to pop out. So I took out all 3 of them. Those are simple and super easy to be able to do. Now we've got the cover out. We're ready to start going. So when it's all flush, hold the outside edge. Then you're going to be able to get your corner turn in. It pops out, allowing you to be able to unclip. Up next is you're getting 3 clips out of the telematic control unit. Press that. Clip number 1 comes out, quite easy. Clip number 3 was the hardest here. It's got a little piece right underneath in the middle. You pull it up and then you can get it to finally wiggle out. So that's the little component right there in the middle. You're going to push that up. Luckily it'll hold in place while you then try to wiggle the rest out. These 2 are very easy, just right there in the middle. Press on those, that's going to undo it as you pull it out. These 3 clips are the telematic control unit. It's now ready to be unscrewed. All right, we're doing the 3 screws that are going to hold the telematic control unit in place. Oh! Oh man! You got to turn on?
This is the reality of working on your car when you drop your socket and then it goes right under the car. Did we find it?
Yeah, I got it.
There we go. We make it look nice and easy all the time through our editing.
Exactly. We're going to edit that out.
Yeah, don't worry, we'll edit this out. Cut here.
We're going to use an 8mm. We're going to take off the 4 bolts holding on the bottom of the glove box so this thing can come out of the way for us. So we got to get back to your JIS number 1 or PH1. Phillips will work for it as well. There's going to be 3 screws up here at the top of the glove box area that we're going to get out, and then we're going to be able to pull it out just a little bit. But it doesn't come all the way out yet, but there's 4 clips at the back, and when you pull it, you'll disengage those clips. You can't get it all the way off until you deal with this USB and the 2 switches, and we're going to do that next.
Meanwhile,
Elastic Garage project number 2.
I didn't know that the I didn't know you didn't like kind of zap them.
Oh,
The whole way I was like,
you told me not to.
no, I mean I didn't. I said no, don't torque it. I thought you were gonna just.
Yeah, they're doing a end-link swap replacement on a C55 AMG. That's easy. You guys should know how to do that. Pull that out.
So there's 4 clips. Whenever you start pulling the glove box out, just come out just a little bit. It gives a little bit of tug. Finger in here, you're gonna help get these top pieces off. So there's 3 of the clips. The 4th one was on the bottom and the back as well. So it's not gonna come all the way out yet because this 2 clips here, these 2 switches and the USB port that's in there is still connected. So we're gonna have to unconnect those first. This clip here was on the glove box right there. It's a bit of a bitch to help it come out, but I was able to figure it out. I used a hook pick. I got up in there, I pressed, and then I was able to go backwards. Just be careful as you're pushing it backwards with your hands, because you will cut a knuckle. Okay, now there's 4 connectors here, keeping the glove box from coming all the way out. Right here, you're gonna have to unclip these. That's what controls your USB and your 2 switches. So just find the clip, push it out, good to go. Goes to the middle, the blue one goes to the bottom left, and the white one goes into the white one.
All right.
Remember that?
Well, we have it on video, so we can reference back.
Blue, bottom left, orange, middle, white on white.
So Lucas is a fan of the hook tool.
Fuck yeah.
You can just say Lucas got hooked up.
Glove box is out.
There we go, halfway done. This going in will be a lot easier.
Yeah. Next step that we're going to do is get this control unit here. We're going to unclip these 3. Then there's 2 screws, JS2 here and here. And then this thing will come off to let us see the cover, because here's the cover for number 1. This is going to be the cover for number 2. So just need to get these clips off. So there's 1. Feel your fingers on the back side for the release lever right there. That little guy. Number 2. And come on. I got you. Number 3. Fascinating.
NASA packaging. Yeah.
NASA or what?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna need scissors.
It looks like it's one of those vacuum dried,
MRE.
yeah, it's an MRE.
So there's a clip right here. Pull that to the left. It'll open up, flip, cover off. Okay?
Do it again.
Mask off.
Okay. So when it's on, clip over, open up, come off. Same thing over here. Up, over, off. And there's our filters.
Those come out easy. And they're a little dirty.
Airflow going down.
Alright.
Yeah, they're a little dirty. We got some scissors to help you. Oh, no, they're dirty.
They're dirty. No. Don't try to play it off. These are filthy.
Oh, it's dirty as fuck.
Yeah.
It was out being dirty. That's not nice. Yeah, Patrick, after we've done this once, yeah, I think we could do this in 20 minutes the next time around.
Oh yeah, hands down.
Yeah.
Especially with me, with all the moral support.
I mean, that's what's made this whole
Yeah,
thing worthwhile.
I'm here to read
It's just you
instructions.
saying over there, saying,
Yeah.
hey, this is, you can do this. I gotta have faith in you.
Oh, yes.
You know, and it made me just so confident that I could turn that screwdriver
Yes.
and open those clips.
Yes.
I'm just, thank you, Patrick. Thank you.
Those are.
Whoop. Number 2. Airflow down. Whoop. Done. Now, are you rolling?
Yep.
Everything goes back in opposite direction of what you just did. Covers for the airflow blocks. Now we gotta go get that control unit, put that on, and we'll good. Okay, so we're done with the cabin air filters. We're now going to put in the nice new green filter, high performance filter in the engine. So what we need to do is take off these engine covers, and I think it's just kind of clipped in. There's one, there's 2, 3. Lift that up and out. Let's put that over to the side so it doesn't get messed up.
So how many pounds of force does it take to get that off? I'm just
Not
kidding.
much at all. I mean, you know, I don't lift, so it doesn't take any if I can get it off. Well, let's see if we can do this one.
Wow.
There we go. That was a little bit more.
Nothing
force.
like you're about to break your painted engine
Exactly.
covers.
This is the airbox cover. Make sure
There's just a clip right here. There's 2 clips on the side.
you see some clips on the side.
Flip that clip down.
Okay.
Flip that clip down, then it probably just lifts up, I bet.
Yeah, and then you just squeeze it, slide it out. That doesn't come off
This
completely.
probably needs to slide up out of there.
Yeah, slide those 2 up out of their
Yeah.
spots. There's 2 of them right there. There you go. And
Wonder if
then
we should
with
just
it,
disconnect
yeah,
that,
just
yeah.
disconnect that guy.
Pull that out the way.
You're gonna get the driver's side done. You did mention that. Okay. That's up out of the way now. You should be able to see. Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder if you can just lift it up.
We can't pull it
Only a
out.
little bit.
Clip
You
in
can't
the
pull it
back.
all the way out,
Yeah.
but like,
Oh, there's a clip in the back. Is there
Uh-huh.
another clip back there?
I think there is one on the inside.
Yeah,
Let's
there's
see.
another.
Is there one back there? Did you
Yeah,
get it?
there's-
There it is.
There's 4 clips.
Okay.
So, and then I think you can just,
Try to get the filter.
yeah.
Here, so I'll pull that up. If you can get the filter out.
Oh, sorry.
Got it.
There we go.
That's it. Okay.
Ooh. A little bit of dirt.
And she got some stuff in there.
50 horsepower.
Nice.
50 horsepower. Go ahead.
Turbo life.
All right.
High performance.
So,
High performance.
yeah,
High performance.
if you look at the 2 together, and you look at them side by
That
side.
one on the left looks dirty. It's dirty green.
Yeah. So, you know, I think we're gonna be all right.
That's what gives you the whoosh whoosh bang bang.
Whoosh whoosh.
It's that woo woo.
That's what it's gonna sound like. So now we just need to drop it in, right?
Yeah. But this is why they're called drop-in filters, because you
That's all you gotta do.
drop them in.
Okay. Hey, that one's done. All right, how do you get it back on? Just this and then clips.
Yeah. There's a clip back here.
How do you get that back on? Just push it.
Yeah, you just pull it.
Oh, okay. And where's the other one? Oh, these 2 back here.
There's one in the back there and one on the side there. It's gonna be a little tighter getting them. It's gonna be more fun clipping them on than. Gotta do a wrap-up video. Or we do it with snow cones.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do
I need
it.
the scones.
Yeah, let's do that.
I need the scones right now.
Done.
Boom.
Good. All right, we back.
We're back.
Right.
She
So,
bought a new car.
my initial impressions with it is that it definitely sounds way better. You can hear all of the turbo sounds. I started off by just putting it in neutral, revving it up some, but because it's not engaging under load, you didn't really hear it. But as soon as Patrick took off and I was able to take off, oh yeah, go hard and then just let off the gas and you get full wastegate sounds. It's awesome. So I'm excited about it. Even simple, just a little bit of go, maybe a 4th throttle coming back off, you get a nice little sound out of it. So big fan of doing the EBC green style filter.
Anything else?
As always, like, subscribe, comment, know everything out.